All right, guys, check this one out. You're looking at a custom fitted 10K gold grill that just came in from our workshop here. Just finished. This is real solid gold, guys. It's not plated. It is not fake. This is the real deal. 10K gold, and you got the perm cuts. You see those cuts in between each tooth? Gives it that nice definition that our customers just love. And look at that. This beautiful grill set, top and bottom, real gold. Here's the backside, snaps right onto the teeth, guys. Okay, and you got your 10K stamp. Okay, so it's a beautiful set. This is real gold, guys. It's the real deal. It's available on our website, blingcartel.com, guys. Check it out. Get yours made by a professional master jeweler online. Thanks for watching, and as always, guys, y'all have a good one.